What's up? My name is Maahek Nair and a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. Today we are making a cooler. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. 2 cups watermelon diced, 1 cup mint leaves, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half a cup filtered water. First, in a blender, we're going to take water, watermelon, lime juice, 1 cup mint leaves. And now we're going to strain the same. And first we add some ice. To that we're going to add and now we're going to top it up with some chilled water. Our cooler is ready. It's going to keep you hydrated. It's loaded with vitamin C and it's really refreshing. Lastly, it's extremely low in calories and carbohydrates, so it's perfect. Thank you for watching our channel. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek score, pilates, information, everything you require about fitness on one platform, that's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.